good evening and welcome to 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you in today's class everyone. I hope that all of you are good and I hope that all of you can see me and I welcome you again. Good evening everyone. How are you all? Seems like we are meeting of the ages. Hello Lakshit, Harshit, Vaishnavi, Shivani, Aditya, Prachi, Usna, Smiley Queen, Simran, Nadil, Anika, Avinash, Hardik, Wizard, Chitra, Pushti, Himanshu, Spella, Tanisha, Abhinav, Aditi, Anupriya. So many of you are here everyone. So excited that all of you are here. Please do tell us how excited are you. Hello everyone. I'm really sorry if I've missed your name. Throughout the session, बहुत आराम से will be learning, right? And we will be learning this interesting chapter and I'll be taking out your names. Yes. Excited? I am sure you're super excited because this chapter is very, very important from the exam point of view. It's actually, we can say in class 10th life process chapter itself holds a lot of weightage in terms of marks and of course it's a very lengthy chapter also. So we will be spending our time and we will be looking at the top 20 previous year questions that came from the chapter life process. Okay? Yes, everyone, are we clear? Yes, very good, very good. Super duper easy, very good. Yes. I know this chapter will be helping you, right? This chapter will be helping you in scoring good in your examination. So let's make sure, right? We will be discussing these and I want all of you to pay attention to in the class. Yes. Awesome, everyone. So I hope that you can see me clearly and I hope that you can hear me clearly. Give the thumbs up, everyone. And please make sure to hit the like button for the video. Hit the like button for the video, everyone. Yes. Poll B. We will have the polls. Don't worry, we'll have the polls. Right? But mostly we don't need the polls, right? These are subjective questions. Everyone, please hit the like button for the video. That's really, really very important. Yes, let's start. We will be starting in a bit. I'm just waiting for all of you to hit the like button. Right? Yes, we will be discussing the important questions, how we can write them in the examination, and of course, it'll be a quick revision also. On Wednesday, right, that is yesterday, Aishwarya Ma'am had a session with all of you, right, where you have revised the whole chapter. So I'm sure that will be helping you to answer these questions here in today's class. Badhiya everyone, chaliye. Are you ready? Very good, very good. Let's quickly start our class, but before we move into our class, if you're new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Currently, we are having 1000 PYQs in 50-day series and we're promising you that of course, we have so much more, right, that we have on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe today only, now only, to see that what we have in store for you. Yes, awesome everyone. So, we have amazing series that we have did right in the past and of course we'll be doing in the future also. So take a moment and subscribe. Yes, very good everyone. Most important thing everyone which will be happening on 21st of the December is a parents club. So please ask your parents to register for it. It's a very interesting webinar where Ankita Ma'am will be discussing about that how we can actually set our goals, can actually execute them and achieve them. So you can ask your parents to join the webinar. There are limited seats, so please ask them to register or you can register for them. The link of the webinar is in the description below. So quickly go there and click on it. Yes, bilkul, we are starting now. Everyone, are we ready? Yes. Now you tell me what are the 5 important topics from this particular chapter. If I have to ask you, right, I'm sure, ये ऐसा chapter है जो आप सबने अप्रैल से पढ़ना शुरू किया था और अब तक पढ़ रहे हो. तो इसमें से आपके हिसाब से 5 कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हैं? The 5 टॉपिक्स, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि you have to pick 5 टॉपिक्स, what will be the 5 टॉपिक्स everyone? जल्दी से बताओ. जल्दी 5 टॉपिक्स मैं आपको बोलूंगी तो क्या होगी? Yes, very good. न्यूट्रिशन दिख रहा है, डाइजेशन दिख रहा है, रेस्पिरेशन दिख रहा है. Yes, what is हार्ट दिख रहा है, सर्कुलेशन दिख रहा है. All the topics are important. That is absolutely correct. Excretion दिख रहा है. Very good. So I think Full chapter आपने बोल दिया है. Okay, everyone. So let's see what are the important topics, right? So in the whole class, from the starting till the end, I will be focusing on the important topics. I will be telling you कि ये 5 marks में आ सकता है, ये 3 marks का question है, ये सिर्फ 1 marks के लिए आएगा. Okay? So I want all of you to pay attention. Pinky promise, जल्दी से. Right? I want all of you to give your 100% attention to the class. A Pinky promise, आप बोलोगे, ma'am, we are very old now for all of these small things. But I know that all of you, I want all of you to focus in class. So Pinky promise. Yes, very good. Promise है ना, very good. I want, see your exams are very close. I want full attention. आप ही के लिए हम class आ रहे हैं, right? And we are doing it for so that your time is not getting wasted. Yes. Here we go, everyone, with the first question. First question is over here, everyone, and let's see the question. The question is, state the location and the function of gastric glands. Okay? Now, what you think is the function of the gastric glands and where they are present. So, there are 1 mark question hai. It came in the board examination in 2014. Please do write the answer in the comment section below. Yes, right? We have to state the location and the function of the gastric glands. Very good location. So all of you are mentioning its stomach. What about the function? So we know that the gastric glands are present, right? Basically the location of these is in the stomach, right? And what are their function? Very good, very good. So there are 3 important secretion that happens, right? So when we talk about the gastric glands, they are in the stomach, right? And there are 3 important secretion. Very good, everyone. So first, of course, we have pepsin that actually help in the digestion of protein. So I'm just writing over here. Basically, it helps in the digestion of protein. We have HCl. Everyone, what is the function of HCl? HCl का क्या function है? Very good. Pepsin, HCl and mucus, right? What is the function of HCl? Very good. So HCl actually help in killing the germs, right? It actually kill the germs that are coming that are entering along with the food. Very good. And the mucus actually protect the inner lining, right? Inner lining of stomach, right, everyone? It actually is there to protect the inner lining of the stomach. Very good, very good. So with this we can say that the marks are there in our pocket. But if you look over here, ये question में आपको अगर आपने 3 चीज रिवाइज कर ली, 3 ये question ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि write the function of the different gastric juices that we have from the stomach. So it's a quick revision of this कि stomach से क्या क्या juices secrete हो रहे हैं और उनका what is the function. Clear, everyone? Yes, awesome. So we have HCl, mucus and the pepsin, right? Very good. Yes, kind of we have studied the stomach wala part. Very good. Now then this is how you can write the answer in the examination. The gastric glands are present in the walls of the stomach, which actually release the hydrochloric acid, mucus and the protein. Right, and protein are getting digested by the pepsin enzyme. With this, everyone, we are done with the first question. Yes, do we have to write? Yes, you can write about it. See, we have to write the location and then you have to write the function of it. Detail, if it's a 1 marks question, so you don't have to write the function of each of this. You can clearly mention about the function of one also. Okay? Yes, awesome, everyone. Let's take a look at the next question again for 1 marks, right? And we have this in the board examination in 2016. Mention raw materials required for photosynthesis. Easy peasy, everyone. Yes, what is the raw materials of photosynthesis? This though I'm sure we are learning from class 6th. आप सबको पता ही होगा. Yes, what are the raw materials of the process photosynthesis? Very good. CO2, sunlight, water. So we know कि photosynthesis होता है plants में. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, right? And in this particular process there are raw materials which are required. We have sunlight, carbon dioxide in the water, and the products are the glucose and the oxygen. So in this question बहुत ही easily पूछा है आपसे कि what are the raw materials? You will clearly write there are 3 raw materials: sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. And of course when we talk about the photosynthesis, if this question comes for 5 marks, which rarely happens, but there are 3 important steps. This question can come for 3 marks also. Write that. What are the 3 steps of photosynthesis? You can mention, okay, what will be happening first? We'll have the absorption of the light energy, then of course splitting of the water molecules, and of course last we have the carbon fixation. Clear everyone? We'll see that there will be the breakdown, and of course we'll see the formation of the carbohydrate. Yes. The formation of the glucose, not the carbohydrate. Yes. Very good. Clear, right? And chlorophyll. Yes, chlorophyll is present inside the green leaves, right? And it is actually inside the chloroplast. It gives a green color, and it is the one that will be trapping the sunlight. Very good. Yes. Are we clear, everyone? Very good, very good. A quick thumbs up, everyone, in the chat. Yes. Hello, everyone. I can see so many of you here. And I want all of you to focus. See, we have our moderator. See, I don't want you to miss any of the important content, right? If you're talking, you will be put on a timeout, or, unfortunately, we don't want you to miss in the learning part. So please, let's just stay focused. Okay? Very good. Here we have, everyone, question number 3. And the question is for 2 marks that, why do we feel the pain or cramps in muscles after the vigorous exercise? What do you think about this question? Focus, everyone. Yes, focus. Yes, and of course the moderator sir is here. They will be taking care of the things. Please stay focused. Very good, Anupriya, Payal, Pushti, Manoranjan, Sanvi, Kia. Yes, very good, very good. We are talking about the pain or the muscle cramp that we have right after the vigorous exercise. So we know that there are 2 types of respiration. We have aerobic respiration and then we have anaerobic respiration. In this particular question, we are focusing on the anaerobic respiration, jahan pe oxygen nahi hai, right? In the anaerobic respiration, what we see that the pyruvate will be actually getting converted into the lactic acid. Very good, everyone. It will be converted into the lactic acid. There will be the release of small amount of energy. As we are getting this lactic acid, what will happen? It will actually get accumulated, right? And it will be causing the muscle cramp or the pain. I'm sure आप लोगों ने experience किया होगा if you are doing exercise after a long time, or if you're running a marathon, I'm sure you would have experienced this. Right? It's actually a pain that, if you move your body, you will feel that pain. Yes, yes, yes. So we are clear, right, with this question. It's a very easy question and I'm so happy that all of you have given the correct answer. So anaerobic respiration, we will see that it's happening in the muscle cramp. Very good. Now this is a very important question. Again for 2 marks. See over here we have asked. And I'm telling you, I'm sure in your test throughout the year, unit test, half yearly, pre-board, ऐसे वाले कुछ ना कुछ questions आए होंगे based upon the aerobic or the anaerobic respiration. Yes, awesome everyone. And this is how we can frame. Now that we have the clarity, this is how we can write the answer in the examination. The pyruvate molecules will be getting converted, right? Will be producing, of course, by the process of glycolysis, will be utilized and of course, will be producing the lactic acid and the energy. This lactic acid is getting accumulated in the muscles, right? And of course, we will have the pain. I hope everyone, you are taking the screenshot. Adilifa, please don't worry, don't write bache, you can take the screenshot and after the class I will share the PDF with you. Telegram pe I will share the PDF, so don't worry. Right everyone? Hello Aditi, hello Dikshit, yes. Very good, very good. Chaliye. Clear everyone? Let's move ahead. I'm sure everyone, see we are just discussing 1 marker and 2 marker. I want full energy in class. Yes. Okay. Now we have to list the difference between pepsin and trypsin. Now you tell me. अच्छा मुझे बताओ pepsin कहाँ पे मिलता है and where we have the trypsin. Yes, where we have pepsin and trypsin. We have to write a difference between these 2 enzymes. Okay. Shilpi is saying pepsin digest protein. Okay. What about pepsin is present in the stomach? Very good. It's a gastric juice. Trypsin is produced in pancreas. Very good. And trypsin actually help in digestion of proteins only. I can see some acidic and alkaline conditions. Very good everyone. So we know that these two are the enzymes that actually help in the digestion of the proteins. But there's a lot more difference between these. So we know that pepsin will be helping to break down the proteins into the peptides, right? And trypsin will be helping in the breakdown of the proteins into the amino acid. It is secreted in the stomach and it is secreted in the pancreas. Are we clear? Very good, Ambition. Yes. Now, trypsin is not responsible for the breaking of the fat. It is responsible of breaking down the proteins into the amino acids. Very good. Yes. Are we clear, everyone? So these are the two important points. And it was a question for 2 marks. So we have 2 points with us. So let's see how we can write the answer in the examination. Always remember, everyone, whenever you're writing the difference, please make sure to write in the tabular form. This is important. Okay? Make a table and then write. If possible, please make sure to write the examples also whenever there is required. Manoranjan, small intestine, we have the intestinal juices. Now, definitely these will be releasing in the small intestine only, but it is released from the pancreas. Clear? So, it's not going directly into the small intestine. In the beginning part of it, right, we have it. Yes, Manoranjan, have answered your question. We can write that point also. Osmoregulation, Payal, we will be discussing it when we are discussing about the kidney question. Okay? Yes. Awesome, everyone. So, we are clear with this 2 marks question. So, here we have that pepsin is secreted by the gastric juices. Then it is secreted by the stomach. It acts in an acidic medium. And of course, it hydrolyzes proteins into the protease and to the peptones, whereas we have the trypsin, right? Trypsin is secreted by the pancreatic juices, secreted in the small intestine, right? The starting part of the small intestine, right? And of course, it is act in the alkaline medium because as we know that stomach se jab khana aata, it is acidic. We have the bile that actually make it alkaline. Now, these enzymes can act on it and they actually help in the digestion process. Clear, everyone? Yes? Everyone, are we clear with this? Yes. Very good, very good. Yes. Okay. And of course, we have this important point. Please make sure you remember at least 3 points from here. Now, let's take a look at the next question. The next question that we have over here is for 2 marks, came in the year 2018. Right? 2018 में आया था. Very important question and बहुत ही easy question है. What is a lymph and how it is different from blood? So whenever we talk about the lymph, it will come for 2 marks. Usually, it will come for 2 marks. We will start the transportation rabbit word, but we are going by question. है ना? So we have the questions and we will be looking into it. Colorless fluid, extracellular fluid. Very good. Yes. Very good, everyone. So we know that it's a type of a fluid in the connective tissue. It is found in the intercellular spaces. Okay. I can see many of you writing the answers. It contains WBCs and plasma. It actually helps in providing the immunity. It actually helps in fighting the different microorganisms also. Yes, very good, very good. So here, let's talk about the lymph, right? So we know that lymph is nothing but a fluid, right, which actually seep through the blood vessels. Now, blood vessels हैं उसमें से जो थोड़ा बहुत fluid है जो बाहर आएगा, that will be forming the lymph, right, and it travels in the lymphatic vessels that we have in our body, and it has white blood cells and the lymphocytes, protein है, plasma है, right, and of course in the blood we have 3 important components. We have RBCs, WBCs, and the platelets and the plasma also. Yes, very good, Raju. Yes, we will be discussing about it, bache. Okay, are we clear, everyone? Yes, are we clear? Dikshita, we have a video on how do organisms reproduce. There's a one shot. Please go and watch it. Yes, everyone, if you are new here, right, and if you have any difficulty, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैम थोड़ा सा difficulty हो रही है question समझने में, we have done a one shot and अलग-अलग separate sessions भी है in detail. You have time, don't worry. After this class, go and watch those sessions. Yes, and you will be sorted. Thank you so much, Kushagra. Everyone, let's stay focused. Please ask your doubt, Durga, you can ask. Okay, everyone, see, this is how you can write the answer in the examination. Simran, lymph basically, it's nothing but a fluid with seeps, जो actually जो blood vessels से निकल जाता है, थोड़ा सा seep out होता है, and that lymph goes to the various vessels that are there, and we call them as a lymphatic vessels, right? And it has a WBCs and the plasma. WBCs has, so that's why it actually help in providing the protection from the various microorganisms. Yes, Rita. Yes, very good. Yes, direction of lymph. So of course, see, there is no direction of the flow of the lymph. It's there at the nodes over here, neck mein hai, right? Of course, we have seen that it's present throughout the body. There are lymph nodes, right? Yes. Okay, everyone. So we're done with this question. Yes, yes. Quick thumbs up, everyone. Okay, I can see lots of okay in the chat. Very good. Everyone, I hope that आप लोगों ने like button hit कर दिया है. No, it's there in the body, throughout the body. Very good, I can see. Awesome, everyone. Okay, next question is super easy. Let me see how many of you can answer this question. It's a little bit logical question. Yes, diffusion is insufficient to meet the oxygen requirement of multicellular organisms like humans. Please state the reason for it. It's a 2 marks question, everyone. Why in our body we don't have the diffusion? Yes, yes, Manoranjan, fat absorb the fats also. Lymph absorb the fat also. Yes, Rabbit, please write your question. Very good. Diffusion is a very slow process. Right, and we know that the diffusion occurs from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Yes. So, diffusion is insufficient to meet the oxygen demands because we are multicellular organisms. We need the oxygen in a high amount or high quantity. Diffusion is a very slow process, so it will take lots and lots of time, right? Which definitely is not beneficial for us, and that is the reason we don't have the diffusion. Okay, so this is very easy. Please make sure to have this. We know that in the diffusion, we know that the molecules move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Yes? Thank you, everyone. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, I remember you. I remember each one of you. See, I have a good memory. Yes. So, rabbit word diffusion, it's a process which happens, right? जहाँ पे molecules move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Journal. So, lymph direction में, of course, when we talk about the lymph direction, कहाँ से कहाँ flow throughout the body. Okay? So, this is how, everyone, you can write the answer for this particular question. It's a 2 marks question, so there is a question why. You have to explain it. That due to the higher metabolic rate, and of course, we have a high metabolic rate in the body, and of course, the volume of the human body is so large, right? That we need the oxygen at a higher basically at a higher rate. For example, if you are running, right, and diffusion is happening really very slow, you will not be able to get the enough oxygen. Environment से हम ऐसे oxygen ले नहीं सकते, right? हमारे से अंदर जा नहीं सकता oxygen. We have to inhale. So that is a reason that we have we don't respire or we don't take the oxygen through the diffusion. Yes. You want to say hi? Yes, everyone. Okay. Very good. So I hope that you are clear, everyone. Are we clear about the diffusion? Come on. Easy peasy. Harika will discuss करेंगे. बच्चे will discuss it. Please ask your doubt. Yes, very good, Raju. Diffusion takes place from the higher to lower concentration. Very good, Amrita. Yes, Rachna. Very good, very good. Thank you so much. Mahesh, बच्चे doubt लिख दो अपना. Yes. Okay, everyone. So this is 2 marks question and we are done with 2 marks. Yes. Yes, very good, very good. So here we are. Here we are, the next question everyone for 2 marks. What are the strategies of plants to get rid of the waste? So you tell me how we, right? Of course, all of us have a system that actually help us in releasing the waste from our body. Very good. You guys are awesome. You are answering really very quickly. I think life process, all of you have mastered it. I am super proud of each one of you that you have mastered the chapter, the life process. Yes, the correct answer, of course, that we have different types of excretion methods that we have in plants. Plants bhi excrete out karte hain, but there are different types, right? Usme se let's see what are the ways the plants uses for the excretion. What we have release of the excess salt. Excess salt nikal dete hain plants. Diffusion of gases hota hai plants mein. There's a loss of water also. Release of resin and gums, and most importantly shedding of the leaves. Transpiration bhi ek method hai जिससे plants will be releasing the excess water. Okay? इसमें आ जाएगा loss of water के अंदर transpiration. Clear? Yes? Yes, Suman, please ask your doubt. Everyone, can I say one small thing? I can see that all of you are here and majority of you are paying attention to the class. But there are few of you who are getting a little bit of distracted. Please बच्चों, अगर आपको क्लास में थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि नहीं पढ़ना, अभी आपने पढ़ लिया है, you can leave the class. Those who are here in the class, I want them to learn today. है ना? So let's be understanding and let's not disturb others. Yes, very good. So raisins, I'm sure आपने देखा होगा, gums and basically transparent जैसा होता है. Sometime what we do, if we open it, there will be some oozing out from the plants, right? Those are also the waste. Very good, very good. Transpiration is nothing but a very simple process which happens in the plant, and that is nothing but the loss of water in the form of water vapors from the leaves, right? And because of that also the water moves from the roots to the top. Manoranjan, yes, sometimes the gums have the toxic, right? They can be toxic also. How many hours class, bache? 2 hours for sure. Yes, I know that so many doubts are there. I will try my best to tackle all the doubts you have. But all of you have to be very cooperative, right? Please ask your doubts, yes. And we'll be going really very slowly. Please ask the doubts, okay? So everyone, this is how you can write the answer. Now over here, if you see, we have given you the extra points, right? In the examination, you can write any 2 points because 2 marks a question hai. I want you to make sure कि extra questions extra points मत लिखना. I'm sure आपको लगता होगा ना when you ask me कि मैम 2 marks में कितना लिखना है? 2 marks में 2 points. If they're asking why, then just state the reason. How the transpiration is evil, because what happens? Now of course there's a loss of water, right? And we call it as, we don't usually call it as evil, but yeah, sometime I'm sure you have heard about it. Transpiration is evil because it's a continuous process, right? And of course we see that there's a loss of water in the form of water vapor. Okay? Yes, okay everyone, you do take a screenshot. Le lijiye, you can take a screenshot of it. Yes, no, for 2 marks you can just write 2 points. Welcome back, Bhavesh. Okay, Rahul. How are you all, everyone? Yes, Rahul, Ronak. Yes, Vivek. Anishka. Very good, everyone. So we are clear with this, right? Any 2 would be fine. Absolutely correct. You can just write any 2 points. Xerophytic plants don't need water. Just think about it. Xerophytic plants are which plants? Just imagine where they are. ऐसा नहीं कि they don't need water. But I'm sure they need less water, right? Because of their own circumstances. No. In bio we don't have. In SST also we don't have. For 2 marks question, 2 points are good enough. Okay, everyone. Let's move ahead. Okay. Nice, very good everyone. So we are clear with this, right? Let's see the next question over here. What is the difference between xylem and phloem? Okay everyone, tell me. Xylem and phloem. What is the difference between xylem and phloem? Complete digestion takes place in the small intestine. Next lecture, of course, we will be discussing about the control and coordination. Next week hoga. Very good. Xylem actually help in the transportation of water and minerals from the roots, and it moves from the roots to the top. And phloem helps the transportation or the translocation of food from leaves to the different parts. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, xylem living है या फिर non-living है? Can we have the polls? Can we have the polls? Tell me everyone, xylem is living or non-living? Yes, come on everyone, come on, come on, come on. Xylem is living or non-living? Yes, we have the polls everyone, I'm sure you will be able to see them. Yes, yes. So for such question, I'll ask you the polls. Yes. Okay, I can see the answers. Very good. So xylem, we know that. Now you will have the polls. Give us a movement. I think we are trying to fix it over there. If it's not happening, we will have it for the next question. Don't worry. But we know that xylem is non-living, right? Xylem is सिर्फ एक ही living है, एक ही living component है. Xylem is a tissue, right? And it has 4 different types. हाँ, yes or no, sir? So we know that xylem has 4 important components. What are the 4 important components, everyone? See, I am revising along with you. You have to revise, right? What are the 4 most important components of the xylem? We have tracheids, we have vessels, we have xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Xylem parenchyma is living. Very good. So we have the polls now. Whether it's living or non-living, yes or no hai, please pick. We know that xylem is living, xylem is non-living, and phloem is living. जो बच्चे xylem को living बोलते थे, now you are clear, right? It has majority of the non-living type, and only one is the xylem parenchyma. Phloem में majority is living. Yes, right? We have only one. We have phloem fiber, which is non-living, rest all are living. We have sieve tubes, sieve plates, and we have companion cells. Awesome everyone. So here we have the picture, right? We call both of them as the vascular bundle. It actually, xylem help in the transportation of water and minerals, and phloem help in the transportation of food. Remember this everyone, the important components, and this is how you can write. Here everyone, here we have the important components. Okay? Please do take a screenshot of this. See over here, you can take a screenshot. A quick recap. Very good. All of you, I'm super proud of you. Yes. I know we said that we will be having marathons. We will be having it later. Don't worry. Class, bachche, hopefully we'll be able to finish by 8:30 or 9. Yes. अच्छा, we will discuss. थोड़ा सा break मिलेगा. We will have a chit chat. अच्छा, ये मुझे बताओ, how many of you want to have a छोटा सा discussion, healthy discussion, not the पढ़ाई? जल्दी. How many of you want to take a break in between? Yes, me, right? I know it's a very long day. I know कि आप सुबह से पढ़ाई कर रहे होगे. पढ़ाई का थोड़ा सा pressure है. I know we'll take a break. Don't worry, we'll take a break. After question number 10, I promise we'll take a break. Pinky promise है मैम का. Manoranjan, xylem has one living tissue, rest all. Basically one component is living, rest all are non-living. Okay, chalo. Full attention everyone. How's the Josh? How's the Josh in the class? No break. Good, Radhika. Yes, everyone, thumbs up. We have few questions and we will take a small break so that you can go and drink water. Super high na? All my bachchas are super high of energy. Yes, chalo. Take a screenshot of this. इसका आप screenshot अच्छे से ले लो, याद रखो इसे. ये तो बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम? आता ही आता है ये. ठीक है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि इसको याद रखोगे. Xylem and phloem. Question number 9 everyone in front of us, and here we have 3 marks question pe aage everyone. Now we are on the 3 marks question. Now can I tell you one thing? 3 marks questions are the difficult. They are the difficult of this lot that we have. It's very difficult to solve them because they are more of application based. थोड़ा सा analysis रहता है, थोड़ा question को twist करके दिया जाता है. Yes, but if you score good marks, these are the helping marks, right? पूरे अगर if you look at the question paper, they are the one which carries the most marks. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा weightage रहता है इनका. So we have to make sure कि we are cracking these questions. Explain the ways in which glucose is broken down in the absence or in the shortage of oxygen. Think about it everyone. In your textbook, they have a flow chart. Right? And we told you, and I told you that's really very important. It's super important. Yes, so if this particular question comes in your examination, how you can deal with it, how you can deal with that question, let's see. We have to explain the ways in which glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen, they have said. So there are 2 ways, you remember? We have it talking about the anaerobic respiration. So here we have glucose mein what we have? Glucose mein we know that the glucose will be going into the cytoplasm. फिर वहाँ पे breakdown होगा, right? And we have the pyruvate. In the absence of the oxygen or the lack of the oxygen, we have 2 scenarios. Agar lack of oxygen in the human body, what will happen? We will see कि lactic acid formation is there and the release of the ATP. And in the absence of oxygen in the yeast, right? Of course, we know that there's a formation of ethanol, CO2 and ATPs. Clear? Very good. Yes, Shilpi, in anaerobic respiration which will happen in the muscles, we see the formation of lactic acid. Yes. Very good. Right, so this is how you can write the reactions everyone. Very important reactions. You have to mention कि location की कहाँ पे हो रहा है. That is also a question asked in the examination. कि glucose, right, is getting broken down where? In which part of the cell? So glucose is broken down into the cytoplasm, right? And it is getting actually broken down to the pyruvate. Yes, and of course then we have the lactic acid formation in the muscles and release of ATP. Very good. Yes everyone. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कि see, if you see over here in the reactions only, we have given the location also, because location is usually asked in the examination. If oxygen is there, we see that the breakdown is happening in the mitochondria. Very good, Divyanshi. Yes, very good, Divyanshi. So Divyanshi is mentioning that we will see that pyruvate is getting broken down into the mitochondria. Very good, Zora. Yes, hi Ayat. Good evening. Everyone clear, right? So these 2 reactions are very important, and especially in your textbook you have that small flow chart after the respiration basically there. It's super important everyone. Please have a look at that particular chart before you go into your examination. It's very crucial. Yes, okay. So everyone, this is how you can write the answer in the examination, right? That if oxygen is not present, glucose will be partially broken down into the pyruvate, and this process is called as anaerobic respiration, right? And we know that there are 2 ways of the anaerobic respiration. There are 2 ways. First, of course, we have the lack of oxygen, absence of the oxygen, lactic acid formation and ethanol formation. Mention about those. You can write the reactions directly if you want to. या फिर you can write like this. Durga, it's up to you. Okay, 3 marks question if you want. If you know the reactions, you can write that. And if you want to write in a statement form, you can do that. बस ध्यान रखना है कि we are mentioning all the important words. Clear? Please make sure to remember write the word glucose, cytoplasm, lactic acid, ethanol, carbon dioxide, ATP. Clear? You can draw the flow chart, aroma, if the question is coming for 3 marks and if they are asking for all the information. If they're very specific, then you don't have to draw the full flow chart. Very good everyone. So smiley for all of us. Okay, let's move to the question number 10. Right, here we have question number 10 everyone. List 4 functions of the human heart. I know that many of you had a doubt about the circulation. We will pay attention now. Yes, so we have to list any 4 functions of the human heart. Why the double circulation is necessary in the human body. It's a 3 marks question, came in the year 2019, very recently, before the COVID year. Right? अब बताइए, what are the 4 important functions of the heart? It's a बहुत easy question है. It's a pumping organ. It actually pumps the blood. Yes. What else? What else? What are the 4 important functions? We will discuss about the nephrons. 1 minute we will discuss about that also. It purifies the blood, pumping organ. Yes, very good. What else? Yes, yes, it does that. Absolutely correct, everyone. So let's see. So when we talk about the as a heart, we know that it's a pumping organ, works 24/7, right? It circulates the nutrient, provide the oxygen to the tissues, remove the carbon dioxide from the tissues, right? And to maintain the electrolyte balance in the body. This is really very important, right? It actually helps in circulating the nutrient. It actually carries the oxygen to the tissues. Make sure that the waste is also carried back, right? And it helps to maintain the electrolyte balance. Yes, so these are the 4 important functions. Now, everyone, let's quickly, I want 5 minutes of your time. Now, what are we discussing is really important. We are discussing about the circulation. Zora, electrolyte balance, we have different types of ions in the body, right? It actually helps us to maintain the balance. If at all these balance of the ions is not proper in the body, right, our body will have different types of reactions. Our body is basically nothing but the chemical reaction, right? We are living in our cells. Chemical reactions are happening, so there has to be a balance of the electrolyte. Different types of ions that we have. Any imbalance of these ions will be causing difficulties in the human body. Are we clear? Yes? Right? Are we clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now let's talk about the double circulation. Now everyone, it's a question I always ask. How many chambers of heart we have? How many chambers we have in our heart? Quickly, how many chambers we have in our heart? Yes, very good, Madhavi, Vaishnavi, Shushil, Shilpi, Ankit, Radhika, Sahil, Zora, Prince, Divyanshi, Aditya, Gaurav, Princey. Okay, now my eyes have to focus. Yuvraj, Prince, Ayushi. Very good, everyone. How many chambers we have? We have 4 chambers, right? And we have left ventricle, right ventricle, left auricle and right auricle, right? Ventricles and auricles we have, and of course we have these 4. Okay? Yes, so now let's talk about that how actually we have the movement happening. So can I draw a heart over here? So easiest way to remember the circulation in heart, I always draw this, right? And of course we will write lungs, and of course we will write the body. See, it's just the representation, everyone. It's just for our understanding, right? You will not be drawing in the examination like this, but it's just for our understanding. Okay, now you tell me, everyone, from which part or which organ the oxygen-rich blood moves to the heart? Which organ in the body is carrying out the transportation of oxygen-rich blood from this to the heart? Yes, Prince? No, it's for understanding. Yeah, I can write a heart over here. This is the heart. Okay, we have lungs. Okay, actually I have mentioned the answer there only. Yes, so from the lungs, we have the left auricle, right ventricle and the left ventricle. Yes, so the pulmonary vein. We always call it as an exception, right everyone? Pulmonary vein will be carrying the oxygen-rich blood to the left auricle, right? And from there it will be moving to the left ventricle. Okay, how many valves we have here? Which valve is actually present between the left auricle and left ventricle? Yes? Which valve is present between the left auricle and the right ventricle? Sorry, left auricle and the left ventricle? Bicuspid or tricuspid? Very good everyone, very, very good. So over here we have bicuspid valve, right? And of course it moves. It actually allow to reduce, basically make sure the blood is not moving back into the auricles. Then of course from left ventricle the blood will move to the body and to different tissues, and it actually help with the aorta. The biggest artery, right? The biggest artery. Yes. Right? The biggest artery we have is the aorta that carries the oxygen-rich blood to the different parts of the body. Now from the body, the carbon dioxide-rich blood or the deoxygenated blood or the CO2-rich blood moves into with the help of superior vena cava, right? We have two vena cavas, right? Superior and the inferior vena cava, and the vena cava actually takes the blood to the right atrium. From there then to the right ventricle, and from there to the pulmonary artery will carry it to the lungs. Yes. Are we clear everyone? Are we clear with this? Right, of course, this is how you should remember it. Right, this is how you should remember. Just follow the arrows. It will be helping you in understanding. Clear, right? We are clear with this? Yes, very good. From the heart to the lungs then. It's a very, very important question. Simran, can you repeat your question again? I know. Can we, Vishnu sir, can we have the Simran question please? We have this question, yes. A little bit lower, sir, I think. Yeah, a little bit lower. She wrote a question. It's a big question. We'll be able to see. No, नीचे और नहीं. मतलब basically end पे जाएंगे तो we'll be able to see. This question. Why it is necessary to match the blood groups of donors and receiver before the transfusion? Because Simran, if you're not matching now, if the blood are different, if the blood group is not matching, the body cells will think that it's a foreign material and they will attack. Right? And of course, that can cause very, very difficult situation for the humans. That's why it's always advised to match the blood group of the donors with the receivers. Okay? Simran, I hope that your question is taken care of. Yes, everyone. So with this, we are done with this question. And here we have a 3 marks question, everyone. Yes. So over here we have 3 marks question. It's a very easy question. So in this question, they have just asked about the functions and double circulation. Why we call it as a double circulation? Because blood heart से 2 बार जा रहा है. सबको समझ में आया? Right? Blood heart से कितनी blood heart से 2 बार travel कर रहा है. That's why we call it as a double circulation. Clear? Yes, very good everyone. That is called as double circulation. Shrishti, I will tell you, bachcha, I will tell you. Stomach का diagram important नहीं है. I'll tell you what are the important diagrams. नहीं, I don't know. Okay, everyone. So are we clear with up to here? Yes, we are clear, right? Now, we'll take a break for some time. But before that, is a very interesting course that we have, everyone, which actually will be helping you in the spoken English classes. You can try it out. It will give you so much more confidence. We have amazing teacher who will be helping you. And of course, it's a closed group. We'll be learning with the confidence. So please do, you can try it out, right? You can try it out. The link there's a description below. So make sure, right? Click on it. And there are a lot of students among you who have tried this. Yes. Now it's a break time, everyone. So we'll just wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start again. Yes, very good. It's for the grades 4 to 9. I know, but you can suggest if someone's there in your neighborhood, right? Or maybe your siblings. Hi, Shri Priya, welcome. Somesh, got it. Break time, everyone. Do you want to take a break? Just take a break for 1 minute. I'll be back. We are right. Okay. Hi, everyone. Yes, I hope that you can see me. Chaliye. So we had a break. थोड़ा सा break ले लिया. I'm sure all of you are feeling a little bit refreshed. Yes. Okay, everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Break time is over. Okay. Chaliye. I hope that all of your energy is high. Now again, 1 hour more, everyone. And now we'll be looking at the 5 marks question and 3 marks question. Yes, awesome, awesome, everyone. So let's get started. Let's see what we have over here. And I want all of you to pay attention. Yes. Very good, everyone. Can we take care of the chat, please? Yes. We can delete that. Yes, very good, everyone. So we are clear up to here, right? And of course, we have discussed about the heart. We have taken up the questions. Ab dekhte hain what the next question is, everyone. So it's a 3 marks question, right? Yes, we have 3 marks question. Okay, what is hemoglobin? State the consequences of the deficiency of hemoglobin in our bodies. Okay, very easy question, right? That what is hemoglobin is, and we have to write ke agar deficiency hogi hemoglobin ki to kya hoga? Very good, Gaurav. Very good, Vaishnavi. Yes, it's a respiratory pigment. Absolutely correct. What else we have? Yes, it's a respiratory pigment. It's present in the blood, and because of that, the blood is red in color. Yes. So let's see. So we know that hemoglobin is a pigment, right? And of course it is present in the RBCs, right? And it is the one that actually gives a red color to the blood. And it has iron, and it's the one that carries the oxygen. And just in case if there's a deficiency, of the hemoglobin, we know that the individual will be suffering from the anemia. Yes, absolutely correct. It was an easy question, right? मुझे लग रहा है कि 3 marks a question is very easy. So here we have everyone. So this is how you can write. Yes, I'm repeating it, right? So it is present in the red blood cells and act as a carrier of the oxygen, right? Yes, very good everyone. So it acts as a carrier of the oxygen. Then of course it is a pigment that help in supplying the oxygen to the different parts of the body. It actually, right, if there's a deficiency of a hemoglobin in the body, what we'll see that individuals will have less number of RBCs, and definitely if there are less number of RBCs, the amount of oxygen which is carried out will be less, right? If at all we have less oxygen, we will not be able to function properly. Oxygen is really, really very important, right? Yes, so everyone please make sure you remember all of these points. Yes, hello programmer. Yes, I definitely remember you. Right, very good everyone. Yes, okay. Vedansh, yes. I will share this PDF with all of you on the Telegram. Don't worry. Yes, don't worry, I'll share the PDF. Yes, awesome everyone. So we are clear with this question. 3 marks question done everyone. Let's take a look over here at the next question. Yes, Somesh, I will share. I know, थोड़ा सा भूल गई थी, पर ये पता था कि प्रोग्रामर बच्चा है अपना. Right, we know that you are a regular student of ours. Yes, okay. 3 marks question over here, everyone. Yes, 3 marks question. And we have basically two questions over here. First question talks about state the role played, right, by the following process in the digestion. So we have what is the role of enzyme trypsin and what is the role of enzyme lipase. We have to mention that. Then we have to list 2 functions of the finger-like projection that are present in the small intestine. Okay? Clear everyone? So over here we have to write the functions of it. So when we're talking about the enzyme trypsin, we know that it is secreted in the, enzyme trypsin is secreted where? From which part or which organ I would say? We've just discussed, right? So we know that enzyme trypsin is actually released or secreted by the gland, which is of course pancreas, right? And it actually helps in the breakdown of the fats, right? So trypsin helps in the breakdown of the proteins and lipase helps in the breakdown of the fatty acids and glycerol. It will be breaking the lipids basically into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, so both the enzymes are secreted by the pancreas, and both of these enzymes work in the alkaline condition. Yes. Clear everyone? Right? Or दूसरा question था about the villi. So villi are the finger-like projections that are present in the small intestine, and they are the one that actually help in the absorption. They increase the surface area for the absorption, and that's how we get all the nutrient in our body. Small intestine, we have the complete digestion also, and apart from that, in small intestine we'll see the absorption happening. Okay everyone, it's a 2 marks question. Individually it can also be asked that what is the role, right? We know that what is the role of the villi. Clear everyone? Yes. Selva, very good. Villi, so villi are the finger-like projection. Subhel, so they are the finger-like projection. Neelam, I'm not ignoring anyone, I've just read your message. So villi are the finger-like projection, and they're surrounded by the blood vessels, and they are the one that actually help in absorbing the digestive food, and from there it goes to the blood, and from there to the different parts of the body. जो भी हम खाना खा रहे हैं, right, वो हमें हमारी बॉडी तक पहुंचाना है, different parts of the body तक, and over there we have the blood vessels, right, जो खाना carry करेंगे, पर villi are the one that are absorbing it. Please ask your doubt. Yes. Everyone, let's just stay focused to the class, right? See, don't force us to block you, right? We don't want to block any one of you. No doubts, right? Very good. Yes, please, Mohan, write your doubt. Pancreas are the glands that are present, right? And they actually help in the digestion process, in the digestive system that we have. Yes, Neelam, I explained, बच्चा अभी भी बोला, pancreas gland हैं जो हमारी body में हैं, दो actually help करते हैं digestion में, और they are basically dual glands. They secrete the hormones as well as the enzymes also. Yes. Okay. Everyone, with this we have this, right? Please make sure to take a look over here. The 3 marks question. We can break. अगर आप देखा होगा, if you look at the question, there are 3 parts of the question. So 1 marks for each of the question. Yes. Yes. So Aniket, epiglottis is basically a flap-like structure that actually help in closing up the windpipe so that the food is not going inside it. Yes. Mohan, we are actually learning the previous year question paper, or we are actually solving previous year question paper. जो questions आए थे ना पुराने सालों में examination में, that we are doing that. Hello Suman, welcome to the class. Yes, very good Radhika. We don't have Menti. Bhavesh, अरे it's up to you बच्चे, up to you. Yes, very good. Okay, so over here we have. So Neelam, you can actually go to the website of BYJU'S and can find, they will be reaching out to you. You can fill the form and of course they'll be reaching out to you. Yes. Yes, Saphel, they are, right? Exocrine and the endocrine glands. Mahesh, realize the small finger-like projection, बच्चे. ऐसे finger-like projections हैं in our small intestine that actually help in the absorption of the food. Okay? Clear everyone with this? Yes, very good everyone. Are we clear? Yes, come on, come on. I hope that all of you are paying attention to the class. Yes. And I hope that all of you have hit the like button for the video. Please make sure to hit the like button for the video. Yes, awesome everyone. Okay. Let's move ahead to the next question, everyone. We have to write 3 points of difference between respiration in plants and respiration in animals. What do you think about this question? It's an easy question. Nandini, the difference between aerobic and the anaerobic respiration we'll just discuss. Aerobic respiration, of course, we know that aerobic respiration occurs in the absence of presence of the oxygen, and anaerobic respiration happens in the absence of oxygen. Yes, only 1 point is there. Dikshit, I can tell you there are more than 1 point for sure. Easy peasy question. Duodenum is a topper part. That's the first part that we have of the small intestine. I can see there are so many questions. We'll answer it one by one. Just wait a little bit. Let's tackle this question first, everyone. 3 marks question, everyone, came in the board examination of 2014, right? Yes. So we have to find what is the main difference between the respiration in plants and animals. So here we have the respiration in plants. So we know that respiration in plants is only aerobic. In humans, we have anaerobic respiration also. We see the formation of lactic acid. But in the plants, we'll not see that. Then there is no physical process of breathing. In plants, we don't see the breathing happening, but whereas in us, we have the breathing, right? We inhale and exhale, which we don't see in plants. Gaseous exchange occurs through the transpiration process, through the leaves, right? Whereas in humans, we see the gaseous exchange happening with the help of lungs, right? Lungs plays a very important role in the exchange of the gases. And the last, carbon dioxide is taken in, and of course, in the type of photosynthesis, right? So we know that plants will be taking up the carbon dioxide. For them, it's not the waste, but for us, it's a waste. Okay? Clear everyone? So this is the major difference. I was telling you, right, we will definitely have more than 1 point for sure in terms of the difference. Very good, Somesh. Thank you for helping your friends. Right, so the correct answer over here is this, and of course it's a difference between, so this is how you can write the answer. So Mohan, the class will end at 9 p.m. Everyone clear? Come on. Thumbs up everyone. I know that you have a very long day, but I hope that you will be able to discuss all of this along with me. We don't have Menti today. No, we don't have Menti. Okay, are we clear with this? Yes. So basically, Shivam, these are the parts of the plant, right? And of course, we will see the growth of the ovule. Embryo stage, where they are present on the different opposite end. Okay, Shivam? Okay. Let's move ahead, everyone, to this question. And now it's a question number 3, right? The total marks of this question is 3, right? And this is very interesting, right? So we have the 3 questions over here. In the process of respiration, state the function of alveoli. Very easy function. Then we have the rate of breathing in the aquatic organism is faster. I'm sure when we were discussing the respiration, we have said that it's very important. And I want you to answer this question. Why? Why that the aquatic organisms that we have, right, have the much faster rate than the terrestrial organisms? And the third, we have to complete this pathway. Right, very good, Komal. Yes, hi Supriya, welcome to the class, everyone. Yes? Yes. Everyone, what is the answer? Hi Supriya, welcome to the class. Very good, Madhavi. Yes, exchange of gases. Somesh, yes. Aroma, we'll just discuss about it. Give some time. Yes, Harika. Very good. Yes, so let's discuss out, everyone. So the process of respiration, we have to state the function of alveoli. So we know that alveoli are present in the lungs, right? And they are the tiny little sac-like structures that are present, and they are the one that actually help in the exchange of gases. So when we inhale and exhale, right, they are the one that will be getting the oxygen and the carbon dioxide, and they are the one that actually plays a very important role in the exchange of gases. Okay, and of course their walls have the blood vessels. Because of these blood vessels only, we'll see the exchange of gases. So this can come in your examination. You can basically draw this diagram if they ask you, right? And we can show the blood vessels like this. Okay? So we can say that we have, if I draw blue, we can take, everyone, for the CO2, 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 CO2. And for the oxygen, let's take green, okay? So when you inhale, what happens? See, when you inhale, what will happen? The sacs have the oxygen, and in the blood vessels you have the carbon dioxide. So what will happen is that when you inhale, oxygen is moving, and when you exhale the carbon dioxide from here, it will come into the sac and oxygen will go into the blood vessels. A simple process of diffusion is happening over here, and because of the process of diffusion, we'll see the exchange of the gases. So alveoli plays a very important role in the exchange of the gases. Then let's move to the next question. That's a part 1 of this question. Part 2 talks about that why the aquatic organisms, right, have a faster breathing rate than the terrestrial animal. What do you think, everyone? What do you think? Why the fishes or the aquatic organism breathe faster? Yes, very good. Parashar, right? We have low content of oxygen in the water, right? So we know that above the water, above the surface of the water, we have good amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. But under the water, the oxygen is actually dissolved in the water. And dissolved oxygen in the water is less. So for organisms to live and take that oxygen, they have to breathe really very quickly. They have a limited amount. I always use this example that if you have your favorite chocolate, right, and you know that you have a very small amount of your favorite chocolate left, you will be eating it really very fast, right? You will not be waiting it. You'll not actually wait कि अच्छा मैं आराम से खाऊंगा, नहीं. You have the chocolate and you will eat more and more of it. Similarly, in case of fishes, they know that the oxygen that they have in the water, which is dissolved in the water, is very less. So if they have to live, if they have to survive, they have to breathe. Yes? Komal, I'm not sure, bache. Yes, but it's good that you got some rank, right? That you have qualified the exam. Very good. Right, everyone? Are we clear with this? Yes, Bhavish, they have low oxygen level, but they have to breathe, right? So their body, it's such in a way that they have to take more amount of oxygen. Okay. Aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. Yes. Any sample paper, bache, whichever you find comfortable, you can take any sample paper. Plasma blood mein hota hai, Supriya, it's a part of it. Okay. Moving to the last part of the question, everyone, which is the cellular respiration. Now, cellular respiration is really very interesting. Cellular respiration, what we know that this particular reaction will be happening inside the cell, and from that we will get the energy, right? We'll get the energy. So we have the glucose. Glycolysis will be happening in the cytoplasm, and in that we will have the pyruvate, we'll have the reaction in the mitochondria. Krebs cycle we call it as, and then we have the energy. In the absence of the various different, if we don't have the oxygen we have discussed, we call it as the anaerobic respiration. Right? Yes. We will, Divyanshu, 1 minute, we will. Yes, we will discuss about that. No, Ayushi, no. Right, so this is how you can write, everyone. So over here we have the basically three parts of the question. Each question carries 1 mark. So it's very important that you don't spend much time here. Right, एक marks का question है, you write important points and then you move ahead to the next question. Yes. Okay, now I can see a few questions over here. So glycolysis is the process जहाँ पे glucose actually convert होगा pyruvate में. It's a long reactions, okay? You don't have it in the class 10, but you will have it in the future. Clear? Arteries and veins were different. So arteries are the one that carries the oxygen-rich blood, okay? Exception hai, we have the pulmonary artery which carries the carbon dioxide-rich blood also. Now arteries are the one that carries the blood, arteries and vein. They carry the blood away from heart. Remember this, everyone. Arteries are the one that carries the blood away from heart. This we all know. And veins carry blood towards heart. Right? They carry the blood towards the heart. Clear? Yes? Arteries have thick walls. Yes? They have thick wall. Yes, you will have Somesh in the 11th class. Yes, Krebs cycle. Exam date abhi nahi aayi hai. Let's focus here. कोई भी गिरधर, कोई भी question paper आप ले लीजिए, कोई भी previous question paper ले लीजिए. It's all good. And the veins have thin walls. Yes. Very good. Very good, everyone. Let's move to the next question. And here we have, okay. Are we clear, everyone? Now what we have is a 5 marks question. Now 5 marks questions are really very interesting because they have separate parts of it, right? एक question के 4-5 parts होंगे and they will be really very easy. And it's not compulsory कि अगर respiration से पूछ तो सारे questions respiration के होंगे. The questions can be of different types altogether. Yes, everyone, are we clear? So listen, everyone. I will answer your doubt after some time, but let's focus on these questions now. Okay, let's focus, everyone. I want all the attention in the class. Last few questions. I will answer your doubt, but thoda time ke baad mein. Okay, let's finish these questions and I will answer your doubt aram se. So we are not going anywhere. You are here with me. I am here with you. So let's finish these questions and then I will take your doubts. Promise? Yes? Very good, very good. So let's see the question that we have over here. So 5 marks question, we have to mention 2 components of the blood. Very good. As we've already mentioned, there are 2 important components you can write. There are 4. We have platelets, we have RBCs, WBCs and plasma. You can write any 2. Then we have to trace the movement of oxygenated blood in the body. How we can do? How we can trace the movement of oxygenated blood in the body? From lungs to the heart, heart to the body, right? And you can mention the important parts. Pulmonary vein carries the oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left auricle. Then of course aorta carry the oxygen-rich blood to the heart. Easy? Yes. We have to write the function of the walls, and of course the next question is write one structural difference between the composition. So let's see everyone. Here we have the components of the blood. We have these. Then of course we have this diagram, the flow of the blood in the left side. So this is how you can write. It's a very easy thing. Only they're talking about the left side. So mention that. Then we have the difference between, take a screenshot everyone. Take a screenshot of this. I'm moving aside. Take a screenshot of this. See, it could be your exam date can come anytime everyone. Let's stay focused. Yes. So I hope that you have taken a screenshot of this. No, you don't have to draw the diagram of the arteries and valves. That will not come in your examination. Clear? Inka diagram nahi aayega. So, see, we have the difference between the arteries and valves, arteries and the veins. So, arteries carry the blood towards the heart. Veins carry the blood towards the heart. Artery carries the blood away from the heart. Carries deoxygenated blood mostly. Have thinner walls. Valves are present. This is very important point. Acha, can you tell me why veins have valves? Quickly everyone, what do you think is the reason? Yes. Everyone? Yes, to prevent the backflow of the blood. Yes, absolutely correct. To prevent the backflow of the blood. Yes, very good, very good. Valves are the, Supriya, basically these are the small flap-like structures that are present, right? And they will be preventing the backflow of the blood in the veins. Saphel, we will discuss about alleles at the end of the class, not now. Yes, Supriya will explain. See over here, we can see this part, right? These basically they will be like these flap-like structures that will be preventing the backflow of the blood. Then we have arteries. They carry mostly the oxygen-rich blood. Have thick walls and valves are absent. Okay, so this is how you can write the answer in the examination everyone. It's a very, very easy 5 marks question. Very easily we can get the marks. Yes, Bhavish, the advantage of 4-chamber heart is that there's no mixing of the blood. Saphel, no, I am not ignoring you. The question of alleles we don't have in this chapter, and I will be dealing with that question in the later part of the class. Yes. Yes, very good everyone. Hello. So we are clear with this everyone. Okay, quickly thumbs up. Yes, you can draw a flow chart also. You can draw the flow chart. Ayushi, of course, that is used to, of course, there are different, purposes and different, okay, I'm moving aside. We have used the gums to make different products, right? It has a lot of importance in making different products. Ayushi, I've answered your question. Yes, everyone. Please do take a screenshot of this. Okay, very good. Okay, let's move ahead everyone to the next question. It's a 5 marks question, right? Which came in the year 2018. Bhavish, bata diya bachche advantage of heart. 4-chamber heart. Blood की mixing नहीं होती है. Yes, Somesh, in the amphibians, right? In the amphibians, we can see there's a mixing, but see, they are cold-blooded animals. So even if the cold-blooded animals don't have to maintain the body temperature, their body temperature changes according to the environment. But in our cases, we have to maintain the body temperature, and that's why in our body, mixing of blood will not be helping us. Okay? Yes? Somesh, I hope that I've answered your question. Yes, very good, Divyanshu. Acha, you are answering the question. Yes. Acha, Suman, I'll try to draw a good smiley. हाँ, अजय, एरोबिक और एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में होती है, एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में नहीं होती, लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन होती है. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी मिलेगी, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होता है, वाटर रिलीज होता है और एनर्जी. Aerobic respiration में of course we'll see the release of the lactic acid in the human body, in a muscle cells, और ATP release होता है. And in the case of yeast, जहाँ fermentation हो रही है वहाँ पे we'll see the release of ethanol or the carbon dioxide and energy, थोड़ी सी. Clear? Yes. Now I was just answering the questions. Now it's back. Okay. Define excretion, everyone. That is nothing but the removal. Very good. Name the basic filtration unit of the kidneys. What is the structure and the fundamental unit of kidney, everyone? Quickly, what is the structure and the fundamental unit of kidneys? Which actually help. Very good. It's the nephron. And then we have to draw the excretory system in human beings. And then we have to label the organs. It's a very, very easy question. Now, आप पूछ रहे थे कि what are the important diagrams? So, of course, in your examination, they can ask you to draw the excretory system. Stomata ka diagram is important, right? They can ask you to draw the diagram of nephron also, right? Heart, very rarely they will ask you, right? Lungs ka and the exchange of gases of the alveoli can come. And in the worst case scenario, I'm telling you, they'll ask you to draw the alimentary canal. Clear? Chaliye, let's see the question over here, everyone. So we know that nephrons are the structural and the fundamental unit of kidneys, right? And excretory system actually help in the removal of the nitrogenous waste. And in the excretion, we'll see that there's a formation of urine, right? And it is formed in the kidneys with the help of nephrons, right? Now, nephrons, of course, have different steps. पहले तो filtration हो रहा है, right? Of course, where there's absorption and then we'll have the secretion. Clear, everyone? So that we don't have it in detail, but all of you should have the understanding. So, yes, the correct answer, right? The main important function of the glomerulus is that it actually helps in the filtration. See over here, we have the glomerulus. It actually helps in the filtration. Clear, Divyanshu? Hello. Wrong answer. Hello, everyone. Yes, awesome, everyone. Clear, eh? Divyanshu have explained. See, the glomerulus over here, right? So it has the blood vessels. Okay? When the blood is entering, along with that, the bigger molecules of the blood like proteins, ये सब आगे नहीं जाएंगे. The smaller molecules like glucose, water, some salts will actually get transferred. Filter हो रहा है basically. Right? The first step that we have is the filtration. And glomerulus actually help in the filtration. Clearly, right? This that we have over here is a Bowman's capsule. Okay? So glomerulus is surrounded by the Bowman's capsule. And we will see the filtration happening. Then of course we have the tubules, right? We have different tubules. These tubules are what we'll see the secretion. Right? What we'll see the absorption. Right? And we call it as a reabsorption. Right? Our body is really very intelligent, right? So it's not give what is important. It will not let go any of the important molecules or the ions. So whatever is important, right, our body will reabsorb it. Clear? Then of course we have the last step, which is the secretion, where of course all the waste, right, will be moving, and of course we call it as a urine. It will be going from the collecting duct to the ureter and from there to the urinary bladder. Manoranjan, the function of Bowman's capsule, so it actually surrounds the glomerulus. What is the function of adrenal gland? So it's a cap-like structure which is sitting on the kidney, and the adrenal gland release these actually secretes the hormones, and of course it is the one that keeps us alert. It is basically the fight and the flight hormone. Yes. Very good, Somesh. Very good. Everyone, are we clear? हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. We will talk, but only after the finishing of this particular few questions बचे हैं. जल्दी से. Yes, everyone, are we clear with this, right? It's not so important, Aniket. If you want to write, you can mention about the efferent and the efferent arteriole. You can definitely mention about the PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT. Clear? Yes. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. I hope that all of you, yes, I hope that all of you have hit the like button. Okay, I'll wait for some time. थोड़ा सा आराम देती हूँ, I think all of you. Yes, please ask your doubt, Syed. Please ask your doubt. Syed is asking, ma'am, could you help us draw the... yes, I will. I'll help you. Alveoli ka, so we did. Syed, you can go back to the video. We did the diagram of the alveoli. We will do the diagram of the lungs in a bit. Yes, very good. Reabsorption takes place in the PCT. Thank you so much for helping your friend. Shahid, PCT is the proximal convolutional tubule. It's the first part of this, right? The tube where we'll see the reabsorption happening. Yes? Clear, everyone? See, we know that our body is very, very intelligent. Okay? And it will reabsorb all the good things. DCT is a distal convolutional tubule, and of course वहाँ पे secretion होगा toxin last में फिर it will be moving into the collecting duct, जो भी material, जो भी waste है उसके अंदर. Very good, everyone. So are we clear with this question? Yes, are we clear with this question? This is how you can actually draw. It's very easy and it's for 5 marks, so I'm sure you all are sorted. Yes. Okay. Everyone, I'm just taking a break. Not taking a break in the sense, I'm just helping you. कि कैसे diagram बनाना बताती हूँ, अभी बताती हूँ. पर उससे पहले everyone hit the like button. Before this session, let's have 200 likes. जल्दी से. We have to have that, right? See, everyone hit the like button now. We are at the end of the session. 200 likes तो बनते हैं. Come on, everyone. You should give me the target. Yes, everyone. Jaldi se, I'm sure many of you still haven't liked the video. Do that. Very good. So we should have some end target, right? कि इस अब तक कितना हो जाना चाहिए. Yes, awesome, everyone. So we are discussing about कि stromata कैसे बना सकते हैं. Again, it's a very easy structure that you can definitely draw, right? So we have the stromata, right? We have the guard cells, right? Clear? We have the guard cells, and of course we have the stromatal opening. Yes. Okay, easy. It's a very easy diagram. Okay, let's move ahead, everyone, to the next question. Love you to all, everyone. Love you too. Hard ka easy diagram, I will tell you in a bit. Okay, chaliye. 5 marks question, everyone. It came very recently in the CBSE 2020. Ajay, next week we have control and coordination. Yes. Somesh, in what terms you're asking, the covering or the outer part? We have the cortex and the medulla. Lungs का भी बताते हैं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Nephrons का भी बताया था गौरव, but I will repeat it again. Yes. Okay, everyone. Now you give me the reason. जल्दी से बताइए what the reason is. Ventricles have thick muscular walls than atria. What do you think is the reason? Why the ventricles have thick muscular walls than the atrium? What do you think will be the reason for it? Yes? Right, very good. So ventricles actually have to pump the blood more, right? Have to send. They have more pressure. Left ventricle have to send the blood to the different parts of the body, and the right ventricle have to pump the blood, and that will be going to the lungs. So basically they have a lot of high pressure. That's why they have the, basically they have the very, they have thick walls. Then transport system in plant is very slow. Why it is slow? What do you think? Why the transport system in plants is very slow? What is the reason behind it? Yes, there's no nervous system. Okay. Very interesting, everyone. Very interesting. So first of all, when we talk about the plants, right? Yes, when we talk about the plants. So in plants, of course, there are different steps and there are different, pressure which are there. There are different forces which are there. But the most important thing is that it's really very slow because it takes some time. They don't have a system like us, right? That we have a circulatory system. They don't have a pumping organ as such. So that's why the transportation is little bit slow in the, not little bit, it's slow in the plants. Third, everyone, circulation of blood in aquatic vertebrates differ from the terrestrial vertebrates. We have just discussed this question. Now we see there's a difference between the circulation of blood in the aquatic organisms or in the terrestrial vertebrates because of the chamber of hearth, right? We have cold chamber, basically cold blooded animals and warm blooded animals. Because of that, definitely the circulation is different. Yes. Okay, everyone, what is happening? Bhavish, you have to stop spamming. Right, Bhavish? Let's not. Yes, got your point. We will take care of it. Don't worry. Okay. During the daytime, water minerals travel faster through xylem as compared to the night. Okay, this is very interesting. Why you think that during the daytime, right, water and minerals travel faster through xylem? What do you think, everyone? Yes, come on, tell me, come on. Why? Tell me, everyone, what is the reason? What is the reason behind it? So, when we talk about the night, right, xylem, of course, help in the transportation, or basically we can say that it actually help in the conduction of water and minerals. During the daytime, of course, right, during the daytime, what we have? Transpiration process will be taking place, right? And because of the transpiration, there's a pull. Stomata will open and close. So, definitely during the daytime, there's more transportation as compared to the night. Very good transpiration pull due to the sunlight. Awesome, everyone. Last part, veins have valves. And we have just discussed. Veins have the valves because to avoid the backflow of the blood. So, here we have, everyone, the answers, right? Of course, we're talking about the different components and, of course, the different types. Here we have transportation in plants occurs via xylem and phloem. Many of you are asking, right, how you can write the answer. This is how you can write. Xylem transport water and minerals to leaves while the phloem translocate the food, right? And it is slow as they have the high composition of dead cells and they have low energy expenditure, okay? And there's no circulatory system as such. Clear? So this is how, everyone, you can write the answer. Clear? Yes, clear, everyone? Are we clear with this? So it's a little bit twisted and a trickier question, but I hope that you are clear with this. Right? Clear? Yes, quick thumbs up, everyone. And of course, we are continuing that part, and this is how the other part we have. We have just discussed it. This is how you can write the answer. Okay? Yes. Please make sure to, remember all these points, everyone. You will get the PDF for sure. Yes, it's a free class. Okay. We will do the control and coordination next week. Difference between egestion, of course, in egestion we will be seeing the removal of the undigested food, and excretion we see that the removal of the nitrogenous waste. We don't have types of valves. Okay? Yes. Okay, everyone. Few more questions we have. Okay, answer this question, everyone. Design an activity to show that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Such an easy activity, right? We did a whole session on this. For the 5 marks. For 5 marks, right? All the best, all the best. Yes, very good, Ritu. Yes, they are in the in the stomach. We have the gastric glands. Aniket, yes. Very good, very good. Bhavesh, I've answered your question. Karan, you will get the PDF on the Telegram. Yes, if we have the different types of leaves, right? The variated leaves, basically, we will take a plant, right? We'll have the leaves. We'll de-starch them. We'll keep the plant for 2 days in the darkness, right? So that photosynthesis could not take place. Then what we will do? We will keep the plant under the sunlight. Once we will keep it for some time, we will take the leaf and then we will add the starch, right? We will add the iodine solution, and that will actually help us to understand the presence of starch or not. See, if the purple color is there, right? If we have this bluish color, that shows the starch presence, right? The starch is there. Are you clear, everyone? Yes, it's a very, very easy observation, a very easy experiment. See, what we'll do, we'll take a plant, right, for 2 days in dark. Basically, the plants will not be able to perform photosynthesis. Then we'll have the leaf. We'll actually, if you want to do, we can paste a black paper also, right? And now we'll take the plant in the sun. We'll take this leaf, we'll add the iodine solution. The part which is not covered will have the starch, because plants make their food, right? And the glucose will be getting stored in the form of starch in plant. So अगर starch है तो plant क्या हो जाएगा? Leaf क्या हो जाएगी? Blue black हो जाएगी. नहीं है तो brownish रहेगी. Clear? Yes. Very good. Are we clear, everyone? Quick thumbs up. Thumbs up, everyone. Let's have a smiley chain. Yes, let's have a smiley chain, everyone here. Focus, everyone. I know थोड़ा सा थक गए हो. कितने बच्चे थक गए हैं? चलो. I know कि you need a break of 1 मिनट का break देते हैं. तो मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी. आप पानी पी के आ जाओ. Yes. How many of you? अच्छा, मैं गाना गाऊं. गाना गाओगे तो रुकोगे? गाना गाने से एनर्जी आ जाएगी. Yes. फिजिक्स के कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर दूं. पारस सर, हम क्यों आयोडीन यूज करें? बिकॉज इट विल हेल्पिंग. आयोडीन एक्चुअली स्टार्च टेस्ट के लिए यूज होता है. इट विल बी रिएक्टिंग, एंड अगर स्टार्च है तो ब्लू ब्लैक हो जाएगा, नहीं है तो ब्राउन हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज इट. इट्स एज ए इंडिकेटर कि वो स्टार्च है नहीं है, उसके लिए एक्चुअली हेल्प करता है. I know 23 days are left to complete a year. Yes, how excited are you for your examination? Yes? अच्छा, मैं गाना गाऊं? गाना नहीं गा सकती, मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा बेसुरी सिंगर हूं, राइट? Yes. We will do the last few questions, everyone. Don't worry, we are here. Yes, चलिए एवरीवन. चलेगा? अच्छा, ठीक है. मैं एंड में गाऊंगी, अभी नहीं गाऊंगी. आई विल sing a song hopefully in the end of the class. ठीक है? चलिए, let's start. Shall we start? थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस है एग्जाम्स की, राइट? डोंट वरी, यू विल डू. अभी तक अच्छा करा, यू विल डू गुड ऑल्सो इन फ्यूचर. यस सैयद, वी विल डिस्कस. Okay, everyone. Let's see over here now, everyone. This question. This is sorted for us, right? ये question हो गया है. तो इन आयोडीन, ठीक है, अगर ब्लू ब्लैक हो गया तो आयोडीन स्टार्च इज प्रेजेंट. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो स्टार्च प्रेजेंट नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी बिग आंसर. प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. देख लो, इजी क्वेश्चन है, पर इस तरीके से आप उसके स्टेप्स लिख सकते हो. दिस इज अ एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्वेश्चन, can come in your examination. Yes, very good everyone. चलो, हैप्पी एवरीवन, हैप्पी रहो. ओके, लेट्स सी एवरीवन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. अब एक ही 2 क्वेश्चन बचे हैं एक्चुअली. Only 2 questions are left. Explain with the help of a neat and well-labeled diagram the different steps involved in amoeba. That's so you only tell me. ये तो बहुत easy question है. It came actually for 5 marks, which is a very big surprise. Usually, this question comes for 2 or 3 marks. But sometime, if you are super lucky, how many of you want to be lucky like this? कितने बच्चों को ये question अपने 5 marks में चाहिए? वो भी बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में. अगर अमीबा का क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स में आ गया तो 5 मार्क्स आपके हो जाएंगे. इट्स अ इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन. लाइफ प्रोसेस में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन होगा ना, सबसे इजीएस्ट वो यही क्वेश्चन है, राइट? मुझे भी चाहिए, मुझे भी अमीबा वाला क्वेश्चन चाहिए 5 मार्क्स में एग्जामिनेशन में. आई नो इट केम इन 2018 ऑल्सो. थैंक यू मनोरंजन फॉर टेलिंग अस दिस. सो हम बोल सकते हैं इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अमीबा, 5 different steps आपको मेंशन करने हैं. First step is ingestion, right? The amoeba, right, will actually take and will have the pseudopodia, right? The false feet formation. It will actually engulf the food, and of course, we'll see the formation of a food vacuole, and उसमें digestion होगा. Once the digestion is done, it will be getting absorbed by the different parts of the body. फिर assimilation है, absorb हो गया, it has to go and perform the various functions, so it will get distributed. Then of course egestion, the release of the waste material. Easy है, right? Yes, Bhavish, we will take, बच्चे, don't worry, we will take. We have a session already, but we will repeat it, don't worry. Yes, Prince, what happened? Yes. Assimilation, we know that what will happen after the absorption, we have the assimilation step. Up we have the absorption, right? आ गया. How we'll be utilizing it? How it will be getting utilized for the various metabolic activities? Okay. Yes, Aniruddha, we don't have the mentee in this class, but in the future we'll have for sure. Yes. Okay. What will happen if we inject 2 blood groups of a person? हाँ, so Ajay, of course, lot of reactions can occur. तो सबसे common reaction हमें दिखेगा कि blood clot हो जाएगा. Basically, it will actually form a clump. Clear? Yes, very good. बिल्कुल. जो बच्चों, yes. किस किस को बायो पसंद है? My name is Ankita Suman. Yes, very good. Okay, everyone. So this is how you can write the answer, right? Let's have the last question, everyone. Let's have the last question. I will explain. अभी करती हूँ explain. Divyansh will explain. Yes. Ajay, what happened? I hope that you got it. Yes. Here we go. Yes. Differentiate between autotrophs and heterotrophs and give one example. हाँ, see? सबसे easy question everyone for 5 marks. I can't believe even I want such question. ऐसे questions मुझे भी चाहिए. I really pray के इस बार board examination में you have such questions. Right? I will pray कि भगवान please मेरे बच्चों को easy question देना. I know autotrophs and the heterotrophs. So we know that autotrophs and the heterotrophs are a different modes of the nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition में plants आते हैं क्योंकि वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. Right? We call them as autotrophs because they can make their own food, and we call it as the autotrophic mode of nutrition. दूसरा, of course, we have animals like us. We are the heterotrophs. We are dependent on others for our food. Right? ये तो बहुत easy था. It was a very easy question. I can't believe कि last question इतना easy निकला. थोड़ा तो difficult होना चाहिए था, but luckily it was a very easy question. Yes, so everyone, see, this is how you can write. Again, take a screenshot. Right? Do take a screenshot of this. Yes, very good. Easy peasy था ना ये तो question तो बिल्कुल आना चाहिए examination में. अच्छा, now you were asking how to draw the lungs. So, see, ऐसे you can draw If you have to draw the lungs, you can draw like this. थोड़ा सा, I am also not a good person to tell you how to draw the lungs, right? And of course, we have the trachea, right? And of course, this is how you can. And of course, here you can show the branches, right? Like this. Clear? अगर आपको सिर्फ lungs बनाने को आ रहा है तो respiratory system में you can make the nose, right? You can have the nostrils जो आपकी book में diagram है, you can easily draw that. Yes. Very good. बस हो गया. It's all done, everyone. All done. You don't have to draw the ribs. सही है, ribs की जरूरत ही नहीं है ही नहीं. It's not a part of it. Okay? Very good, everyone. We know if they'll not ask you to draw the ribs. Okay? Okay. The function of sphincter, right? So we have it. We know that. So at different places, right? Especially from the use of focus to the stomach, we have a sphincter, right? That actually makes sure कि वो close रहे, ताकि food वापस ना आ पाए stomach से. We have different sphincter at different places also. Great diagram. बिल्कुल. I will be sharing this on the Telegram, right? Telegram पे मैं पक्का share करूँगी, so please make sure कि you go through it. Everyone, कितने likes हो गए? चलो 200 likes चाहिए, तभी गाना आएगा. Yes, Manoranjan, very good. Thank you. Thank you for the yes. Right, thank you for reminding it. Yes, I'll share, definitely I'll share on the Telegram. Function of the fourth chambers of the heart, make sure that there is no mixing of the blood. Okay? Anshul, बच्चे जीनोटाइप और फिनोटाइप हम लोग जेनेटिक्स में पढ़ेंगे, पर आप पूछ रहे हो तो जीनोटाइप actually help us to understand what is the genetic makeup of the individual, like capital T, right? Phenotype हमें बताएगा कि actually इसका appearance कैसा है. Okay? This is the only thing that you have to remember as of now. And I think सफल पूछ रहे थे एली के बारे में. So alleles are the alternative form of genes. जैसे कि for example black eye color, blue eye color. एक जीन है आई कलर का, उसके दो ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म हो गए. यस, आर वी क्लियर एवरीवन? आर वी क्लियर? कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन. यस, वेरी गुड एवरीवन. Yes, very good everyone. Acha. Okay, are we clear with this everyone? Give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute till that time. Just मुझे, yes, only 5 likes are left now. Please, जल्दी से like करो. 1 minute में I am coming back. Just checking something. Yes everyone, 200 हो गए फाइनली. इज इट डेट शीट रिलीज होगी ऐसा कौन बोल रहा है? वेरी गुड एवरीवन. सो यस, गिव अस अ मिनट एवरीवन, गिव अस अ मिनट. हाँ, वेरी गुड अजय. सम प्लांट्स आर ग्रीन इन कलर एंड सम प्लांट्स आर येलो इन कलर. डिफरेंट पिगमेंट्स, राइट? हमने पढ़ा है प्लास्टिड्स के बारे में. सो वी हैव क्रोमोप्लास्ट जो डिफरेंट कलर्स देते हैं, क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो ग्रीन कलर जो उसमें क्लोरोफिल है दैट गिव्स द ग्रीन कलर. यस, अब सॉन्ग चाहिए. सॉन्ग केसरिया तो नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. वी कैन नॉट सिंग सॉन्ग्स, राइट? I don't know. Should I really sing a song? That is a question. Yes, everyone, I hope that all of you have gone through the session, right? And I hope that कि आप सबको पता चल गया कि what are the important questions. Yes. What is the importance of the peristalsis movement? So it actually helps in the movement of the food and the use of phagus. Right? We know that we have a food pipe. उसमें wave-like movement होता है, right? So we will have a wave-like movement that actually push the food. Rhythmic movement होता है and that actually help in the movement of the food. उस motion को, right, we call it as. Clear? I think someone was asking the diagram of the heart. So again, see, this is how I have remembered it and it's easy for me to remember like this. So we have the, you can draw like this, right? And from here, that goes, you can draw this ventricle, right? And you can draw the flaps, basically the, and here you can show the movement, okay, from here. Clear? So ये easiest है. Okay, 1 minute everyone. Can you mute me? I'm muted. Everyone, sorry I was going in and out. We're just confirming. I don't think कि अभी officially date release हुई है, right? We don't have the proper official information, everyone. ठीक है, बच्चों को मत डराओ और खुद भी मत डरो. We still have some time. Yes, चलिए. Okay, everyone. So with this we'll end our session, right? 201 like हो गए हैं. Peripheral nervous system. It's a different type of okay. So we have two types of nervous system, right? We have central nervous system, which of course comprise of the brain, and of course we have like important part. We have the brain, right? And of course we have the spinal cord there. Peripheral nervous system में the only important part which is involved is the spinal cord. Nerves आ जाएंगे उसमें. Anshul, the important function of the pepsin is that actually help in the digestion of proteins. Okay. Yes, very good everyone. अच्छा, it seems like मैंने promise कर दिया था, वो तो इसलिए promise किया था कि थोड़ा हम आगे बढ़ जाएंगे तो आप भूल जाओगे कि मैम ने बोला है गाना. I'll not sing the song, but there's a very I would say कि बहुत ही प्यारा सा I would say कि let's suppose बहुत ही inspiring lyrics रहे हैं इस particular गाने के, right? So I'm actually, it's not a very new song, it's a very old song. So it's about के how we have to perceive our life, right? कि आपको कैसे life को देखना है. We have to be very full of energy. Yes, and we have to make sure कि हम हमेशा life में अच्छी चीजें देखें, हमेशा positive रहें और life को कभी मतलब डरे नहीं. You have to face your challenges. You have to make sure that you have the confidence in moving ahead. So I'm not sure. There is a song. Yes, I am singing. I'm not singing. I'm just telling you the song. So there's a very interesting thing that लिए सपने निगाहों में. Everyone, come on. Now I full silence चाहिए class में. Everyone, come on, full silence. It's clear, right? Very good. So it's a amazing lyrics we have. लिए सपने निगाहों में चला हूँ तेरी राहों में जिंदगी आ रहा हूँ मैं. Yes, it's a very interesting song. Please do listen to it, right? I'm sure you will love it. Yes. So it says that इसके lyrics वही हैं. लिए सपने निगाहों में चला हूं तेरी राहों में, जिंदगी आ रहा हूं मैं. Right? It's a very, very old song. You can definitely do a research about it and you can sing. I am no latest song, I would say. Yes, everyone. Okay? It's a very, very. It was there in your annual song. Annual day ka song mein badhiya gaana hai ye. Nice, everyone. So I think with that I would end. किसी और दिन, right? Maybe during the New Year celebration, जब हम नए साल में जाएंगे, we'll start. We might sing for you, okay? Yes. अभी थोड़ा सा restriction है, right? Very good, everyone. So let's just end the session. Yes, we should thank to the technical team. Vishnu sir is here. He was reading all your comments, everyone. इसलिए बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा परेशान मत किया करो. Right? So everyone, please make sure to check out the playlist and you know that we have got you covered. I hope that each one of you have hit the like button and I hope that you have shared with your friends, and please do take a moment and subscribe. I can hear. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, thank you Vishnu sir. See everyone, आज on 6 to 8 channel Vishnu sir came. Everyone, please make sure to hit the like button for the video and thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. I hope कि आप live process को master कर चुके होगे. Call him on the camera. Vishnu sir, you want to come? आ जाइए sir. Just say hi. They'll be happy to see you. Yes, Vishnu sir, Zindabad. Very good. Yes, he is coming. You have to, right? Please do write in the comment section कि whole team is working really very hard for you. See, we come in the morning and of course sir is there with us. आपके साथ साथ सर भी expert हो रहे हैं.
Hi students, how you all? So effortful.
Yes, and I'm sure you're also learning along with them.
Yeah. Okay, take care. Bye, everyone.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Yes, everyone. See? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Chota Bhi Abhi aaya hai. You're asking about the lymph. So lymph basically is a fluid which actually seep out, right, from the vessels and it goes into the another vessel. First of all, tissue fluid hai, bahar aata hai. It forms another vessels that we have. They are the lymphatic vessels. Usme flow karta hai. It has plasma and WBCs and it actually help in fighting the disease. Basically, it's make sure that if there's any invasion, its body is taken care of. Yes, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much and thank you for staying till the end. Yes, I hope, yes, that all of you have gotten this particular chapter clearly and I hope these questions will help you. Yes, what enzymes are present in the small intestine? So we have various intestinal juices. You'll be learning about them individually, the name in the higher classes. Thank you so much, everyone. All the best for all of you who have your pre-board examinations, right? And thank you so much. Lots of love to each one of you. Keep on learning with BYJU'S, everyone. And good night. Take care.